worksheet in your packet looks like this one. And our goal is, if you look at the directions, it says add value to create texture, overlap, and curved surfaces, and differences in color. If you have an object in a whole drawing, we definitely want to have a darkest dark and a lightest light and use the full range of value within a piece. But you don't need each piece in the object to have the same range of values. Some parts of your image are going to be lighter objects and some parts of your image will be darker objects. So my goal is for you to render this piece out so that it has a full range of values and it has the illusion of texture, overlap, and curved surface. Let's talk about a couple terms first. We're going to render these objects. Rendering means to make a drawing, a very detailed drawing. So not only are we drawing the lines and edges, but we're going to add all the value changes and create that illusion of space. Remember that values can be used to create strong contrast or difference between very light areas and areas of deep shadow. So we want some things to be the darkest darks and some things to be the lightest lights. And we're going to use this image to make some of those choices. You could decide that these are dark purple tulips and very light leaves and white daisies, but that white daisy is still going to have some overlap and some textural changes here. These cylinders that are the stems are going to have some color, but you might have three different looks for things. You may decide that this is a red tulip and a white daisy, or maybe this is a rust colored daisy and a white tulip. You need to decide what you want to do, but each of these objects should not be darkest dark to lightest light. You want to have some objects with some innate color changes. This is my sample. And you can see that I took the same things we did on the previous worksheet and applied it to this little bouquet. So here I've got kind of a darker color tulip happening, some lighter daisies, and some mid-range leaves. So my leaves are different. They have some texture in them. I have some cylindrical information going on. This leaf is a cup kind of shape, so it's darker as it turns away and it's lighter as it's closer. Overlap's going to show. Same thing's going on over here. You're going to apply all the information from the second worksheet to this. You want to have textures going on. You want to have curved surfaces going on. You want to have overlap happening. And you want to have some things innately lighter and some things innately darker. So I made my tulips dark in this one, the daisies lighter, and then I made the foliage kind of in a mid-range. This foliage is a little lighter than the tulip foliage. So save this, pause it. You don't have to go with the same combination, but I shouldn't see this kind of value on each of the objects. You should have definitely a change of value so that this feels like it's a lighter object than another one. Go ahead and pause this. You can use this as a reference and just start wherever you want. Start dealing with overlap, start dealing with making things look cylindrical. You can take it in whatever order you want. I think it's easier if you approach, decide what you want to be dark and do all of those, and then decide what you want to be light and make those all similar. Also, you take it however you would like, but this is what I'm expecting to have is various show overlap, texture, curved surfaces, and color differences. I know it's in black and white, but some things should be defined as light grays and some things should be medium grays and some things should be dark grays.